feel like I'm a millionaire. Absolutely over the moon. Honestly, it's so humbling to hear somebody talk about me in the way that Alex did. I'm so proud, but not just me, all the team.
I think this has probably been one of our proudest moments as an organisation. We've worked really hard to make, office supplies as sustainable as possible and helping workplaces really make a difference.
So I'm delighted to accept the award on behalf of Jason Jones from Nestle as Supplier Account Manager of the Year. Jason has done tremendous work with office-friendly members and the head office as well, and we've seen tremendous growth.
We're really proud and honoured to have won this award, and we all work together collectively, and it's a real joint effort, and we are incredibly proud of the business that we've built. It means everything to the business. We strive for perfection, we strive for change, we strive for the community, so this award means everything to us.
Excellent, absolutely delighted to have won it. Such a great feeling.
It was shock. Yeah. Honestly, I did not have an idea. Last couple of years have been quite hard work, long hours. But these guys, honestly, they're lovely to work for. They are just, and we move constantly in the time. Wonderful. Yeah. And my boss over there.
I work for a great business, and I work with great people like Vicky and Joe, and we've got just a fantastic team. So I'm really lucky, really lucky.